reggae flavor, you know. Let it go.
All this loneliness has always been a friend of mine.
Trust me now.
I'm leaving my life in your hands.
You in control, girl.
People say I'm crazy and that I am blind.
Blind as a bat.
Risking it all in again.
Risk it all for you, baby love.
And how you got me blind is still a mystery.
No clue at all.
I can't get you out of my head.
Stuck in my brain.
Don't care what is written in your history.
Trust me, girl.
As long as you're here with me, I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did.
Never.
As long as you love me,
Yeah, girl.
who you are,
Who you are?
where you're from, don't care what you did.
Alright.
As long as you love me, every little thing that you have said and done
Every little thing.
feels like it's deep within me.
Trust me, now, girl. Oh gosh.
Doesn't really matter if you're on the run.
Don't matter at all.
Seems like we're meant to be.
Forever.
I don't care who you are,
Response.
where you're from,
We don't care.
don't care what you did.
Not at all.
As long as you love
What it don't matter.
who you are,
Trust me now.
where you're from, don't care what you did.
We don't care, baby
As
love.
long as you love me,
Come on.
who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did. As long as you love me, I try the hardest so that no one knows,
Alright.
but I guess it shows
Transparent.
when you look into my eyes.
From your
What
heart.
you did and where you're coming from, I don't care.
Trust me now, baby love.
As long as you love, I don't care who you are,
Who you
where you're from, you did what you did. As you love me, where you're from, don't care what you did. As long as you love me, as long as you love me, baby. As long as you love me.
Come along, man.
I wanna grow a ganja field so freaking bad. Grow all of the herb I never had. I wanna be on the cover of High Times magazine, standing next to Damian Marley. Sugar! Now every time I close my eyes, I see my ganja paradise. Yeah, the scent of marijuana's in the air. I swear, the world better prepare. The ganja farmers here. Medea! When me sell it by the acre, yo, me sell it by the pound. There's no shortage here, there's enough to go around. There's no need to fuss and there's no need to fight. Welcome one and all to this ganja paradise.